Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about functions in JavaScript. So let's get started. So what are functions? A function is a block of code that was designed to do a specific task. So let's say we have a function to add two numbers. So let's say let's define this function, and we can define it like so. We start with the function keyword and then followed by the name of this function, and inside of parentheses we specify how many parameters we want to take. For example, we want here number 1 and number 2, and of course we can specify how many parameters we want here, of course. And inside here we will say return number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so now if we console log this and we give it 4 and 3, this will give us 7. Okay, and if we change this to 4 and 5, this will give us 9. Okay, so this function is adding two numbers. So here now in this case, this function is returning a value, the sum of these two numbers in this case. But we can also define a function that doesn't return anything. So for example, we have a function that say hi, and then we can say console log hi and then mod. And if we call this function, as we can see here, hi mod. Okay, and we can also take the username from outside. So we can say here that we are taking one parameter, and instead of hard coding the username, we can say plus name. Okay, so we give it our name, and it will print hi mod. Okay, and if we change this to John, for example, John, this will give us hi John. Okay, so if someone asks you what's the point of functions, or why do we have to use them in the first place, so we can say that functions was designed to make a block of code more reusable and to make a particular functionality more reusable. So what does that mean? So let's say we have a function that converts Fahrenheit degrees to Celsius degrees. So let's define this function here. We'll name it convert F to C, and then we will take the Fahrenheit degree, and then we will return this equation F minus 32, and then multiply by 5/9, and we can say console log convert F to C, and then if we give it 50 Fahrenheit degrees, we can see here it's given us 10 Celsius degrees. Okay, so imagine here that we want to use this functionality across our website multiple times. Instead of writing this equation multiple times, no, we don't have even to remember it. We only write it here one time, and then we call our function, and it will take care of the conversion for us. Okay, and also one more thing, functions will make our code more reusable and more readable. So if other developer is working with us on this website, and if imagine if he sees something like this here, if we say here, and let's do var, and then F is 50, for example, here. So this will give us this will give us the same result, but this code here is more cleaner than this. So if we see this code here, we might not understand what's going on, but this function is more explicit. So as we said earlier, functions will make our code more readable, and functions are more explicit. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another one.